Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm out here in the garden today. Just wanted to do a quick update for you guys. I'm here with my daughter. We just finished picking some sour cherries. Haven't even begun to take down all the rest of the red currant yet. Got to come back on another day because I got to get going right now. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys, everything seems to be doing quite well. So a lot of the peppers are growing quite nicely. Some of them have flowers on them like that. That one has grown a lot. You know, that one's looking pretty good over there. We even got a flower on our marigold, so that's the first one that's put out a flower. This one's looking really good. I'm sure that will be putting out flowers soon. Hold on, honey, I'll be with you in a second, okay? Then we'll get going. We got flowers on some of the tomatoes. Some of them are looking quite good. I actually need to stake these out. You can see that that one is already growing almost sideways because it's so tall. So yeah, everything's looking really good. Some of the corn is coming up really tall. Some of the squash or zucchini, I never know what it is until they actually start putting out fruit. They're doing really well. So that one's good. That one in the corner is doing really well. This one's starting to grow really nicely. I got a couple more that I still need to plant out. It's been super busy. I've been having a tough time coming back out here and dealing with everything. So yeah, this corn's looking amazing. I mean, all of them have kind of like re-greened for the most part. A couple of them are a little bit still yellow, but they're still growing really nicely. Got another little squash in there. This one's looking really good over here in the corner. So yeah, everything's doing good. I'm like super excited. Got some of the black tomatoes over there. That one's looking good. So yeah, everything's good. All right, guys, I gotta run. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a short one, but I'll be doing more regular ones as the summer progresses. Bye.